Ever seen a fire? A real fire. One that engulfs a room, hits 1500 degrees, kicks out thick black smoke. Ever had to crawl on all fours out of the house fearing for your life? Or throw a mattress out of the bedroom window to break your fall because you can't make it out down the stairs? Ever seen the ruin that a fire leaves behind? The shell of what was once your home? Your favorite pieces of furniture reduced to blackened carcasses? Ever thought of your most treasured items up in flames? Photos, trinkets, gifts. Ever lost those memories? Ever lost a pet? Ever lost a loved one? Ever bought a fire extinguisher? Don't take the risk. Get a StaySafe 5-in-1, just in case.